Welcome. My name is Carrie Thompson, and I will be speaking with you today about pursuing a great career path as an inspiring educator, specifically teaching biology at the college level. This career is all about shaping and challenging the next generation of scientists. This career gives you purpose, um, the purpose to mentor and have a daily impact on the lives of students by fostering relationships and safe learning environments. This career also offers flexibility in schedule. Most of the time, you at least get to set your own schedule. And it really ignites a passion for learning, both professionally and personally throughout your time as you are instructing, excuse me. And it has a pretty competitive salary. So let's talk about what we will do as a community college biology teacher. What would you do every day? So each day you'll be engaging with students in lectures, hands-on lab, classes that encourage critical thinking, which is what we need in this field. You will help to keep up with the latest curriculum. You do have to do some continuing education. As you continue to learn from the scientific community, you can also help to bring innovation into the classroom, and it really helps to keep our students engaged with the content. So what do you need to be a biology teacher at a community college? So you would need, first of all, you need a bachelor's degree, and then you'd also need a master's degree in biology or a related science degree. You'll need to take classes such as biology, anatomy, chemistry, yes, even chemistry, genetics, cell biology, other things like that. Pedagogy in science and education, learning how to teach, are also some of the classes. Later in the PowerPoint, we will go over specifically classes that you would take at Grand Canyon University to really help ignite this passion for learning. But at the very least, you do have to have that master's degree in biology or related field to pursue this career. There are a couple of opportunities to join some organizations in the field that can help launch the networking that you would need to do. So there's the National Association of Biology Teachers. There's the National Science Teaching Association. These can provide some professional development as long as getting you connected with other biology teachers in the field. There's also the American Association of Community Colleges that can open opportunities in teaching. There are some volunteering opportunities that you can do that are available that you can look for. You can join those organizations and they can help you. You can also do some tutoring. I've done some tutoring at the community college level in the past, and you really get a face-to-face opportunity with the students to see what the students are doing, what they're learning. You can also volunteer at local museums that are dedicated to science in your area. And then you can also get into a community college in your area that may allow you to assist and get you networking with other instructors in the area and to help them in their classroom. So that is also available. Specifically at Grand Canyon University, there are several classes that are helping to develop these community college biology teachers and the classes that they're taking. I just listed a few, but human physiology, where you learn about the organs and body systems and how they work. Cell and molecular biology, so how cells and molecules are interacting. You can learn about pedagogy for higher learning. Again, you learn about how to teach at a college level. Uh, Ecology really touches on plants and animal species and their phylogeny, how they came to be, and how they live in the world. Biochemistry is the last one I'll talk about, and that is kind of how chemical processes affect the body. And so these classes in their master's degree program specifically are definitely aimed to help to levitate you towards that career. Networking, we've talked about a little bit, but that can really build a strong foundation for your future career. You can get collaborations, you can get mentors, you provide valuable insights that you might not get otherwise. And then we also have to remember that we can be future scientists, and we can still be ethical in our teaching, respect others, as they come into our classroom for learning. There should be a safe environment, a safe space for learning, and to teach with compassion each day, and to model what it really is to be a Christian in science. That is a difficult subject to teach when you are a Christian, but you can do it, and I believe that that they go hand in hand. So what are your next steps to gaining skills to be a community college biology instructor? Make sure that you are taking all the classes that you need to, work with your mentors, take all the opportunities that you can before you get in there, volunteer opportunities, um, join the organizations that will give you a little bit of a competitive edge, because you may have some networking going on. Volunteer, all of this stuff looks great on a resume. Remember, this is to inspire and to excite the next generation of thinkers in our field. And I encourage you to get started today. Thank you.